So I had some vitella. I put some pepper on them, some pieces of vitella, and I put some pepper on them. Then I put some turkey ham, cheddar cheese, and some Maltese pepper, ġbejna pepper, cheeselet pepper cheeselet. We call it ġbejna tal-bżar in Maltese. So I made some pepper, turkey ham, cheddar, and a piece of ġbejna. Then I take the other piece and I put it on top. You can also roll them if you have a large piece. You can roll them instead of doing what I am doing. And then you start frying them. You add some oil in a pan and you start frying them. First you fry them from one side, then you turn them and you fry them from the other side. I turn them around, as you can see, so they continue cooking on the other side too. Then after that we're going to put them a little bit in the oven to continue in the oven. Them in a dish now, and I'm going to continue cooking them a little bit more in the oven. The vitella is ready, as you can see. I cut it so you see it. I added some fried cabbages with eggs and some parsley and garlic. I fried them with it, and this is the result. It's very good. The vitella like this is very good. I hope that you try it. Bye for now.